Guide to installing the front bumper of the Tank 300. First, take out all parts and start assembling the original fog lights. Next, take the middle section of the bumper and connect the left and right parts with screws. Then install the two end pieces on both sides. Secure one side of the winch bracket with bolts, leave the other side loose to fit the winch. After placing it, secure the other side to the beam. Install the side supports, place the assembled bumper on the beam, and secure it with bolts. Install the movable license plate holder. Next, install the bottom end of the bumper, connecting and tightening it to the beam with bolts. Install the air conditioning condenser guard. Installation complete. Thank you for watching.